What's up, you guys? What's up, YouTube? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on wherever you're watching me from. My name is Elijah Chris, and I will be your host for today. Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys, where I'll be talking about forex related stuffs. And on today, we are going to have a quick topic on market structure and pure price action movement. But before we dive into the topic, guys, I would kindly like you guys to help me to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Some of you guys will be asking why is it a must for them to subscribe? What you are doing right now, why you are helping me to subscribe? You are helping me to share this video to those who are willing to learn forex, who are battling with their strategy, who are battling with psychology, who are battling to mastering forex trading, because this is a skill, this is a job. So you liking, you subscribing to my YouTube channel, you are helping me to share this video to them. So if you have any other people that are willing to learn forex trading, who are willing to hide their income, who are willing to learn something tangible for themselves, then this video is the right video for you to send to them, guys. Kindly like and subscribe as we dive in. Let's go, guys. So we are here now. So we are going to talk about a topic called market structure and price action movement. You all must be wondering, what is market structure? Market structure is like a backbone of forex. Without market structure, there won't be anything called forex trading. Understand? This is a very powerful concept that me and you need to understand in forex trading if we need to learn trading itself. And this is a gradual thing that all traders need to learn. It is super simple and easy if we just keep it simple. Understand? So we are going to I'm going to explain the three phases of market structure. We have three phases of market structure. We have the uptrend, and we have the downtrend, and we have the ranging market also. I'm going to explain each and every one of them on this class, and I'm going to show you the live example too if we have time. But yeah, we have time, so I'm just going to go straight to the video right now so that we can have time, and let's go. So guys, I'm going to start with the uptrend example. I'm going to start with the uptrend example now. I'm going to start with the uptrend example, and you all know that if you are playing a ball, if you kick a ball up, it's going to come down, right? The ball is going to come down. Then once the ball comes down and touch the floor, the ball is going to bounce back up, right? Are you getting me? So that is how market move on an uptrend. Now we have a low. Here is a low. We have a low and we have a high. Now what are we going to call here? We are going to call here a high and here a low. You understand? Because market has not break in between any of these zones yet. Here is a high, here is a low. So we have a higher high and a higher low. A higher high and a higher low. I'm going to explain this for you guys. Just give me a sec. So hold on. I'm going to explain this. Where is my drawing tool? Okay, I cannot find that, but let's just use this example that we have here. I will try to break it down for you guys. Here we have a high here. Understand? This is this is on an uptrend. Let me write it out. Here is an uptrend. Here is an uptrend. This one here is an uptrend. You understand? This one is an uptrend. This is how an uptrend is like in all market, but it's not like this on the real charts. This is just the example of it. Then I'm going to go on a live chart and explain it for you too, guys. So just give me a few moments. We have a high here. The time price was around this box. Price didn't give us any clear movement here, any direction of its movement until price break this high. That's when we know that yes, an uptrend has started happening. Right? Price created this high. Here is a low. Then price break this high and give us a higher high. Right? Price break this high. Just assume that price was here, right? Price was at this zone here. The moment that it breaks this recent higher high, you understand? This recent high. Assuming that price was here, that it break this one. What are we going to do? I'm going to wait for this price to come back and retest here. First, I'm not going to enter. I'm going to wait for it to break. I'm going to wait for it again to break this recent higher high here to confirm its movement. You understand? So when price break this recent high here, and I'm going to show you the candle that is going to break here with a strong body. Understand? With a strong body to know that yes, the break is valid. So now we'll wait for price to break this zone. Once price is coming back to retest it, right, we are going to buy. You understand? I didn't draw this thing long because of we don't have time, but I hope you understand these structures, because these structures happen every time, every now and then on the charts. You understand? Every now and then. If you don't understand this video, it's going to be a short one. Just go back and rewatch it again. And it's going to stick to you. So immediately price retest here, I'm just going to buy here. I'm just going to buy here. I target the recent high. I normally use 20 pips stop loss, or sometimes I use 10 pips stop loss. I'm just going to target the recent high and just leave it like that. Understand? Leave it like that to flow. Now this is an example of an uptrend. I'm going to give you another example of a downtrend. Now this is how a downtrend is coming. Let me write it. Downtrend. So this is example of a downtrend. We have a high first before it gives us a low. Understand? Now the same explanation that we did here is the same thing that we are going to do here, just because it is an inverser. You understand? Inverser of this uptrend, because this one now is a downtrend and this one is an uptrend. So imagine how we have a high and a low. We don't know the direction of the market yet. We are going to wait for price to either break this high or this low for us to confirm its direction. Now its direction is a downtrend, so we have to wait carefully for price to take out this recent low here. So imagine that price give us a high, it give us a low. It's now give us a recent higher low. Then it finally breaks this Then it finally breaks this lower low here. Then price finally breaks this lower low. Me now, I'll be waiting. You understand? Because price needs to take out two highs or two lows for you to confirm that yes, this is a valid movement. Understand? Trust me, guys, whenever price break out two highs or two lows, there will be a massive or an aggressive push in the opposite direction. So as price retests here, fine. Price is retesting it, fine. Now Okay, let's just draw the diagram first. Give us a higher low and a lower low. So immediately price break here, I'm just still going to fold my hands until price come back to retest it. You understand? Because price break this lower low and breaks this lower low, confirming a strong valid sell. You understand? So it give us a higher low and now a lower low. So now let me explain it for you guys. Let me explain it. As I said, price need to take out two lows before the trend needs to be valid. You understand? Price needs to take out two lows first before the trend needs to be what? Valid. Now I'm going to mark out these zones immediately so that I can give you a quick example on the live chart. Here we have a lower low. I mark it out and you can see a break and retest. Here you can see it. So what am I going to do in this scenario? I'm just going to fold my hands and wait for price to take out this low. And wait for price to take out this lower low. You understand? Immediately price take out this lower low with a strong bearish candle. And I'll wait for a retest. Immediately I see price break out this recent lower low, I'm going to wait for a retest at this zone here. Understand? Because there must be a retest. Sometimes the retest doesn't happen, but retest happens. Are you getting me? Retest normally do happens. I'm just going to put my sell icon there. Just 20 pips stop loss. Just target the recent lower low there. If it's 1:3 or I normally do 1:2, then I'm out. Understand? This is an example of an uptrend and this is an example of a downtrend. And a ranging market, just because of time, a ranging market normally move like this. There is no clear direction. It just normally move ranging like this. And there's no clear direction. So what is this? Excuse me. It does not have a clear direction. So the best place to sell on a ranging market is the high, the highest point that is rejecting from, and the lowest, and the place to buy is from the lowest place that the market is also what retesting from or rejecting from. You understand? There are different ways to call all this. So now let us just dive into the real chart and let me see if I can show you a live example of what I've been teaching you guys. Let me just dive into the real chart and see if I can show you real examples. Let me see. Just because of time. Okay, let me just use it as an example for you guys. Now, as you can see, we have a high here. Right? We have a high here. Please guys, if you are enjoying this, just kindly like this video and share it to people that are interested or willing to learn forex. You understand? Just share it to them so that they can learn as well. Now this is a high, this is a low, right? So this is a high, this is a low, this is a high, this is a low, this is a higher high, this is a higher low. This is a higher low. This one is the valid one and this one is the valid one. Now whenever price, and you can see as this strong bearish candle breaks this low, right? You can see it. So as this bearish candle breaks this low, we are going to wait for what? A retest. As price breaks it, you come back to retest it. Now you see what I'm talking about, right? Retest it, just put your stop loss and put your take profit there. Just open your trade and just leave it to go. So guys, this will be all for today. And because of time, so kindly like and subscribe to this channel if you want me to be dropping more hits like this, so that it can motivate me to be dropping something like this for you guys. Thank you guys and stay safe. God bless you. See you next time. Bye for now.